Hello there. To install the SignRequest add-on for Gmail, go to your Gmail inbox and go to the settings icon in the top right corner here and click settings. That will bring you to this page, and along the top here you see a set of tabs. Select the one that says add-ons, and right here where it says get add-ons, click there. This will pop up, and in the search bar at the top type in SignRequest and click there and click install. Click continue. Choose your Google account. Click allow. And here it says it has been installed. So you can follow the setup instructions. Now, open up an email, and if you were to look on the right hand side, you'll see a SignRequest icon. Click there, and you have an option to send a copy back to the sender after the document has been signed. And what you can do is straight from Gmail, create a SignRequest with the document that was attached in the email. Click create SignRequest, and that document that was an attachment in your email will immediately be uploaded into SignRequest with the CC already included in the contact list, and you will be able to choose who needs to sign, and you can enter those contacts here and click prepare document, and you're off and running.